Alright, magandang araw mga fellow gun enthusiasts. We have another video here, video review ng isang firearms ng Shooters Arms Manufacturing. So maraming salamat kay Sir Eric for giving us access to this pistol for review. And this is one of the newer models na makikita nyo sa kanila sa gun show. Sa recent gun show ng DISAS at yung Tax Expo ngayong 2026. So, guys, if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's check out itong SAM Thunderbolt Pro. So, itong pistol na to, this is their 1911, fully featured, or with additional features na 1911 pistol. Gawa siya sa Turkey. So, yung SAM Thunderbolt, it's matagal ng pistol yan ng Shooters, and recently they have released a newer version of that pistol gaya nung same din nung ginawa nila sa X9 Tactical versus yung X9 Prime nila ngayon. So this one is made by Balikli sa Turkey. Okay, so it comes in this plastic box, if you can see over here. Ayan, 45 ACP. It comes with 2 magazines, at yung magazines niya I think is made in Italy. All right. So let's check this out. Ayan siya. So when you get a unit, alright, Thunderbolt Pro, very nice box. Let's check it out. So buksan natin siya. And inside you will find several items. So first off, meron tayong chamber flag. Okay. Then you have this instruction manual. Okay, very nice. I really like it pag meron instruction manual. Then it comes with 1 magazine, plus may isa pang naka-insert dun sa pistol. So 2 magazines total. Okay. There we have, kita natin, made in Italy. Okay. Very nice. Mecgar yung magazine niya. Alam natin ang Mecgar, maganda talagang magazine yan. Affordable and good quality. If you look over here, dito muna tayo guys. Let's see over here, meron tayong mga cleaning tools. Ayan, mga brushes. So very nice na may kasama siya niyan. And then meron din tayong trigger lock. Alright, so let's check this out. So first off, safety check muna natin. Alright, so we fired this dito sa range natin, sa Downrange Daddy, sa VV Soliven. So thank you Downrange Daddy for providing this venue. Okay, so check muna natin siya. So every time we do a review guys, we safety check all pistols. Okay, so check muna natin. Alright, so there is a magazine inside. Remove the magazine. Okay, and tanggalin natin, no rounds. I already safety checked this, pero safety check natin ulit just to be sure. So ayan, visual check, no rounds. Physical check, no rounds. Okay, you can see the firearm is safe. So the drop ko lang yung hammer. Okay, so Thunderbolt Pro, this is what we have for this pistol. So ako, matagal ko ng pangarap magkaroon ng 1911 pero I've never actually had the chance to buy one. And yun nga, dahil every time I tried to buy one of these, another firearm came along that I just had to buy. But truth be told, matagal ko na talagang gusto nun, and I'm very happy to have access to this pistol. Check lang natin yung mga markings niya, no? So, it's a fully featured 1911. Meron tayong wood grips dito. So, very nice wooden grips. Okay, with yung logo nila. It's got, meron siyang flared magazine well. An extended and flared magazine well. So very, very nice. If you look at this magazine, maganda siyang basic 1911 magazine, guys. But if you put it here, and sinisi-check natin ito, walang bala, you put it here, dahil meron kang flared at extended na magazine well, if you close it like that, hindi mo matutulak siya all the way. So kailangan mo talaga siyang itulak. So, my advice is kung kukuha kayo ng gitong pistol guys, maglagay kagad kayo ng extended base pad dito. Alright? You're gonna get 2 magazines with the pistol. Lagyan nyo kagad ng extended base pad para hindi nyo na siya dukutin ng daliri nyo or itulak masyado. Pero, very positive yung ejection ng magazine. So, very nice. So, again, safety check muna natin. Ulit. Okay, there you go. Safe. And if you look over here, this is the pistol. Serial number, frame. This is an all-metal frame pistol na na very, very 1911. The beaver tail is really nice. Let's check the sights. Yung sights niya ay maganda. Very positive, yung very bright. Kitang-kita mo talaga, 3 dots. Yung rear niya, rear sight niya, one thing that I would like to comment guys is, pag kukuha kayo nito, be ready to put Loctite in it because itong unit na tinest namin, medyo the sights need to be Loctite. See that? Ganun lang. Pero, for the price of this unit, we're not really allowed to say prices all the time dito sa YouTube. This is definitely a great value. Fully featured 1911. So, yun nga. I-Loctite mo lang to. Hindi ko pa siya napapahigpitan, but there's a screw over here. And then, one thing that sets this apart is that this is an optic-ready pistol. Meron ka ng optics plate dito na tatanggalin mo. I am not sure kung ano yung mga profiles na pwede dito, guys. We're just gonna have to research that a bit further because this tabletop review na nakuha ko kagad, I never had the chance to research this pistol in advance. So, overall, very, very nice. Okay? Meron tayong fiber optic front. Very, very bright. Compared dun sa mga ibang fiber optic na nakikita ko, ito talaga, kitang-kita mo talaga siya. Alright? So, there you go. I would like to disassemble this, guys. However, I concede na medyo natatagalan ako mag-reassemble because bago pa siya, hindi ako masyadong kabisado sa 1911. So, I'll just leave it as is. But overall, you have a rail over here, Picatinny rail section. And we have yung trigger niya. I tested this pistol, trigger, quite nice. Pwede mong ipa-trigger job to if you really want a better trigger. But as it is, definitely much better trigger than a lot of the pistols that I have fired na may creep. So, okay naman siya. Okay? So, again, meron tayong grip safety. The beaver tail is really, really nice. The closest thing that I have to a 1911 pistol is yung Norinco N201C, which is in Tokarev 9mm nila. It doesn't have a beaver tail. Coming from a pistol that doesn't have a beaver tail na medyo nagkakabite ako versus one that has a beaver tail, ang laki talaga ng difference. Appreciate it. So, stainless steel slide with a bead blasted finish. Okay? So, try to check the internals. Okay? Nag-firing na kami ito sa medyo marumi pa to, guys, hindi ko pa nalilinisan to. But after firing this gun several times, sa experience ko 100%. All the rounds that I fired through it are 100%. I fired at least 20. 100%. Well, hindi siya maarte sa bala. All rounds fed, fired, and ejected flawlessly. So maganda talaga siya. Ayan. So, these are the markings. Ambi, yung niya, yung safety niya. Okay, there you go. Okay, manufactured in Turkey for shooters. Okay, shooters guns. Okay, so let's look at the muzzle, yung crown niya. Okay, rifling is very positive so far. Conventional rifling, guys. All right, look at that one. Okay naman siya. So yon. So why should you get, for example, a Shooter's Thunderbolt Pro? So I think that the Shooter's Thunderbolt Pro is it's a really great pistol if you want something that's truly classic but with a modern touch to it, fully featured modern touch to it na 1911. Obviously, it is heavy, not as lightweight as yung mga polymer frame pistols natin, but that is to be expected. The positives there is yung 45. Yung recoil niya dito sa 1911, very, very smooth. Definitely not snappy unlike if you fired a 45 sa isang polymer framed pistol. With this one, the recoil is really manageable and smooth. Okay? So yon. I really like it. Once upon a time, guys, when you bought a 1911, you will simply buy a stock 1911 tapos ipapa-gunsmith mo siya ng ipapa-gunsmith para maging ganito na madagdagan ng mga kung ano-anong parts yung 1911 mo. But the Thunderbolt Pro saves you all of that trouble ng gunsmithing by coming out of the factory, straight out of the box na kumpleto na yung mga features na to. Hindi mo na mapapalitan yung trigger, mga ganyan, okay na siya. Ready to go na. Okay? So, if you are the type who wants a true classic with a modern touch to it, fully featured, fiber optic sights at optic ready 1911, sa malaking edge to, guys. Sa time natin kasi ngayon, parang lahat na lang ng pistol, gusto nang lagyan ng red dot sight. Then, if you want a 1911 with a ready red dot sight na pinaka-affordable, I really can't see how you can go wrong with yung Thunderbolt Pro. Okay? Ang comment ko lang nga dito is yun nga, this unit needs the sights tightened. But other than that, kung mal-Loctite mo yan, papahigpitan mo, should be good. Okay? Yeah, overall, I fired it. Really good pistol. So, there you go. This is what we have from the box and everything. So, yeah, just a very good example of Thunderbolt Pro. Okay? So, with that said, again, nagpapasalamat ako sa Shooters for trying out this unit. And I would like to note na kung gusto niyo ng 1911 na fully featured, na hindi niyo na ipapa-gunsmith, pagkalabas niyo sa box, okay na. Ano na siya, This is actually not a bad choice. It's actually a great choice. Quite affordable compared to yung equivalents niya na mapapamahal ka talaga dahil this one is made in Turkey. I suppose that if you were to i-hammer drop ko lang. Okay, there you go. I suppose yun nga lang, if you are to get one of these, just don't forget guys na i-base pad nyo, ha? Kasi pag ipapasok nyo yung magazine, ginanyan mo lang siya. It's not gonna insert, you have to push it all the way para mag-click. At hindi mo siya magagawa ng ganun kasi nakaharang yung magwell. You have to do it with your finger. So there you go. My first impressions, tabletop review ng Shooters Thunderbolt Pro. So again, maraming salamat sa Shooters for letting me try this out. Thank you din sa Downrange Daddy for providing the venue for us to test itong mga latest market entries natin from Shooters. Okay, so if you like this content guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I am just going to return yung yung chamber flag. Right? Para tayo. Ayan. Para kita natin yung chamber flag. Put the magazine back in there. Completely empty. Put it back here. And there you have it. So if you like this content guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat again to Downrange Daddy and Shooters Arms for letting me try this great pistol. That's it. Until next time guys. See you next time.